This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the host Samsung. This step matters. Open Settings, go to Battery, then tap Wireless Power Share and turn it on. Do it now. Make sure the host has at least 20% battery so sharing won't immediately cut off. Remove bulky cases, dust, or metal from both devices and position them back-to-back toward the center. Once done, you'll feel or see the receiving device begin charging. This confirms alignment and that the feature is active. Now you focus on precise placement and active monitoring. Place the receiving device directly over the host's wireless charging coil. Small misalignment will interrupt current flow, so adjust slowly while watching for the charge icon or vibration. Keep an eye on both screens. Samsung shows a charging indicator and time estimate. Use that to verify power transfer rate. Because heat builds, set sharing for lower output if the host offers it, and make sure the device is. To finish, turn off wireless power share or separate the devices once the task is done or the host reaches 10% battery. This prevents sudden shutdowns. If charging doesn't start, test with a different Samsung receiver and remove cases to rule out alignment or compatibility issues. If problems persist, restart the host phone, toggle wireless power share off and on, and check for system updates. This often resolves firmware-level handshake faults. One key tip: overheating will stop transfer, so cool the phones before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.